Hey everyone, this is Mr. De Vicente, and this is a short tutorial to gain access to your English 3D accounts and to look at the reading inventory results as well as administering the issues test online. So what you need to do is go to mypuhsd.org, go to HMH Central and sign in as yourself, and you're going to get to this page, and I'm using Brenda's as an example. And you want to go to Teacher Central here. And if you go to class management, you'll see your kiddos here. She has one class, so here are all the students she has and their Lexile score that they received last week. And so you can print this out by double clicking and going to print, and you can see their scores will print up here. Next, you have the teacher tools in this online resources, and here's where you administer the online issues test. Now you don't have to use items. Launch the tool under teacher tools, and you see your roster come up here, and you click on add assessment, and you select your assessment, which would be issue 1 that's coming up, and select all your students and assign the test. I'm not going to assign it right now because then all the kids would get a notice that they have a test assigned to them. So I'm going to cancel out of here. Once they have submitted their test, their score will come up here, and then you can print out the results from here to use as your data for each issue test. Also on this website, you can go to the resources, and you have all the resources for the English 3D program, everything from tools and procedures to graphic organizers and so on. So there you go. Feel free to explore. If you need to see your classes, they're right here on the top left hand corner. See, Brenda has one class. If you have more than one, they should come up here. And again, this is classroom management here. And so there you go. This is Mr. De Vicente signing off.